testing natin guys kung matibay yung suction mount nitong Insta 360 Go Ultra.
Yes.
So manunundot tayo ngayon, testing natin kung hindi ba siya malalaglag kapag nag-drive na tayo. So hindi naman siya masyado nakaka-distract sa pagdadrive kasi maliit lang sobra yung camera. So maanda na tayo ulit. Dito tayo sa Argonaut Highway. So 2:58 na, 17 minutes na labasan na ni KB. Thursday na, malapit na matapos ang isang linggong pagpasok.
Hi. Just got back from school, the school drill.
So, how's your day, Kuya?
So it was way good. We did our writing. And I did this. Oh, I got and more exams back. I think you'll be satisfied with one
Patingin.
of the scores. Or two.
Satisfied din naman kami kahapon.
Oo, okay naman yung scores.
Zero.
Wow! 47/50. Wow! Perfect!
Wow!
Filipino.
Filipino?
Galing! 50/50.
Anong nakain mo at na perfect mo yung
Nice.
ano?
Very good, kuya!
Filipino. Ha?
By the way, guys, siya lang nagre-review mag-isa. Stock knowledge.
Kasakit din si
42
Kuya
over
eh.
50. Very good, kuya. Ito yung last time.
Yeah.
Right.
You deserve a ham sandwich.
Yeah.
May ham doon, pwede mo paluto kay ate.
Meeting done.
Yes, sir.